Alright KMS, in today's video we are going to be making a starter pack video, and if you don't know what that means, I'm going to show you guys all the steps to make a great video. Alright guys, the first step is to find your background. You want to find a great background like the sun's everywhere and trees, and I'll show on to the second step. Let's go. Alright KMS, the next thing is you want to find which building is the best, and I usually recommend building 6 because it has the most people that are interested. Come on, let's go. The reason why I say building 6 is because even though it's very far away from the classroom, it's all full of 6th graders, which makes them wonder because I've never seen this before.
The best teacher is experience. So that means is that you have to keep going outside again, and look over your mistakes and improve on them. And then later, maybe next year, you probably know what to do and how to make a better video.
Bro, what?
I just had the camera right there, and I'm just talking to you.
Okay, so here's your...
Hey, I'm here with Paul. How many push-ups can you do?
Alright guys, this most important part of this entire video is teamwork, and you gotta work together with your editor, cameraman, or woman, sounds weird, or a reporter, and that really makes a great video, honestly, so do that.